Hello, today we have Panasonic RF-P50T. This is AM/FM radio, handheld portables. I wanted to buy it from quite a time, but I couldn't. I didn't buy it because I had 150D with me. So Panasonic RF-P50 silver picture simulated AM/FM radio. Okay. On the top of the box we have the Panasonic logo and the model number. And on the bottom it's again the logo plus model number. Behind the box, on the back of the box, we have tuning area, digital and analog, fluorescent pointer and glowing dial panel, hand strap, and some brand information. Panasonic Corporation, made in Indonesia. I took the radio out of the box. This is the box that it came in, and this is the user manual that we got in the box. This is basic operating instructions in 4 languages. Thank you for purchasing the product. Oh, you're welcome, Panasonic. For Australia and New Zealand. This is not for us. Okay. Step 1, power on. Step 2, select the band. Step 3, tuning. Step 4, volume. Luminous bar. Yeah, this actually glows when it is dark. It captures the light when it is kept in the light, and it glows when it is dark. Caution. Yeah, we won't do it, by the way. This comes in 4 languages. One is English, Chinese, Urdu, and not sure. Okay, only for Australian market. Okay. Nice user instructions. Let's bring the radio now. And before that, I got a surprise in the box. These are single ear mono earphones. I haven't seen it for a long time. I haven't tried it yet, but definitely would like to try it and see how it performs with one ear. This is the actual radio that we got in the box. This is quite well made. We have AM/FM tuning dial, LED tuning indicator, and the brand with model number. The hand strap is quite good, but I think we won't try it today. This is quite bulky. I expected it to be a bit slimmer. On the right side we have tuning dial and band selector switch. On the left we have power on off and earphone jack. This is the telescopic antenna, and it rotates, I think, 180 or 190 degrees only. On the back side we have Panasonic model number, 3 volts batteries, made in Indonesia, some ventilation for the radio, and the battery compartment. It takes 2 AA batteries. I've already inserted my Amazon basics into it. These are the rechargeables, and they quite of long. They are like long lasting. We will do a medium wave band scan today. We will start from 520 kilohertz and will move upwards to 1610, I think 1610, yeah. And this performs very well on medium wave. I have used it a couple of times today, and this is very good, very strong, by the way, in grabbing the stations. So let's start the scan, and we will discuss about the performance at the end of the video. I think this is Kerala RF-P 576 200 kilowatts, and this is Nagpur, Maharashtra 300 kilowatts, 585 kilohertz, 920 kilometers. This is the local Bangalore station, AR Bangalore.
ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿವರವಾಗಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೈತ ಬಾಂಧವರ
I think this is 720 kilohertz, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. This is Telangana, Hyderabad, 738 kilohertz. It comes quite strong.
అదే మనం మామూలుగా అయితే రాళ్ళు వేసుకుని రాళ్ళకి మళ్ళీ యూజ్ తీగలు వేసుకుని అవుతా ఉంటాం. అది మటుకు ఎకరానికి 50,000 అవుతుంది.
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್, ಟ್ವಿಟರ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅಂತ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕ, ಲಂಡನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
765
ಯಾವ ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಜೊತೆ
400 kilometers away. 765 kilohertz.
ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ
आदम हवा ने कालिर कपड़ा न पेरायो ई कालू कतिदे आयो देव गोरली पिल्ला ने काटतानी और काली ने काडन आदम हवा ने पेरायो जैसे अगेन अगर से 3 महोत्सव 7 मोहरी
ఇంతే కాకుండా పువ్వు మీద ఇలాంటి మొక్కలు గమనించినప్పుడు పువ్వు కూడా కుళ్ళిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఈ తెగులు లక్షణాలు మనము కాడలు, కాళ్ళ మీద
त्या सर्वेची मागणी पुरस्काराने घेण्यात तर मग पुरस्कार 2023 ऑनलाईन नामांकन स्पर्धेची 1 मे दिवसा जिल्ह्याला आणि पुढल्या वर्षात प्रजासत्ताक दिनाने जाहीर
That's the end of medium wave scan, and this radio did well compared to its size. It performs very well, and it is similar to its big brother RF-150D. Considering its size and the reception, I could rate it as 4 star or 4.5 star. I mean, the performance differs if you're in-house and outside the house, basically because of all the electronic noise that we have inside house, and it was picking the noise very strongly. I think we should try doing looping of this radio with Texan loop antenna and a mini whip antenna. That would surely help us judge the performance of this radio. Overall, it's a nice radio. So please let me know how this video was. We will be doing FM band scan again, and we will also do a medium wave band scan with external antenna. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you for your time. You guys have a good day.